Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing guidance on how to process selected rows of table using jQuery in MVC. So, don't miss any steps and watch till the end of the video. Let's start with Introduction to Process MVC-based applications built on the asp.net development platform. Aegis developers are using jQuery. The development team members were working on the project and have found a successful way to process multiple table rows using jQuery in MVC. You can learn the steps for processing the selected table rows by watching this video further thoroughly. We are introducing a new feature that processes selected table rows using jQuery in MVC-based application. For that, we have to find the particular table row and particular TD where we have to update the status or anything that we have to process on that rows. Next, understand a process on selected table rows in asp.net MVC application. Below are the steps to process on selected table rows in the asp.net MVC application. First is download the latest release jQuerymin.js. And next step is to give the jQuery reference of JavaScript we need to write the below code in Vue, and then use it where we need to see it as per the below code. As per the above code, we can give the reference for jQuery from the project location. Now, for example, we have a table as per below MVC Razor view, in which we have give the header from resource file and data display from model as we done in MVC as per below code. As per the above code, we got the records in the grid as per the below screenshot. Now from above list we can select single or multiple rows. We can check all the checkboxes from the header checkbox as per the below code for JavaScript. For example, we have to find the table rows in which we have process using jQuery. We have to take the checkbox column in our table as per above code. We can use some jQuery functions to perform such actions to find that like parents or parent tr as per the below code. Here we have to process button. On the click of that button we have to do the record create process which rows are selected. Below is the code for the process button and process of the button after click on that. Above is the code for process button. On click on button we have to process the table rows. As per above code we can call the validate function with the click of process button. As per below code using $input.selectedRows. Each function, using this function we can check in loop for all data and using $this.parents tr we can find the rows and from that row we can check for checkbox that is checked or not as per $this.is checked code. If we find that row is selected, we can perform the AJAX call on that row using url.action method and process on that rows. In our case, we update the status from the AJAX call and print that status on the same row. Next is result of process selected table rows. First is table rows for selecting for the process. Second is after process on row and result display in red and green color in status column. Next is advantages of process selected rows. 1. Using jQuery we can find any rows of table and perform any action on the rows that we have to perform. 2. It is using jQuery and AJAX call so performance is faster in application. At the end of the video, I want to say that our Aegis team of asp.net MVC model view controller development has shared this video to help and assist global developers in understanding the latest features with which they can process selected table rows with jQuery in MVC based app. If you have any doubt, contact Aegis developers and get the answers for your queries. If any query related to this video and topic, feels free to contact us. Our email address is info@aegisofttech.com. Our contact number is +919824172020. Our location is Royal Square, first floor, office number 110, near Shilp Tower, Tagore Road, Rajkot 360001, Gujarat, India. Thank you for watching. At the end of the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.